Love a nigga with a long pipe. They don't come like that on the
Don't turn around and look at me. I already said it. Back to the chat.
Boy, I got 5 fingers up.
That's not a question.
Y'all coming from one.
On everything.
No, we don't want to fight. I love what you did. It's okay. It's okay.
Y'all can't say that because
it's just the name of the game.
Man,
that's
listen,
like only targeted to one person. Like,
man.
that's only targeted to one
I'm a bite.
Power, purpose, prayer, plenty. I don't really know about you, but I gotta keep it with me. And when I talk, I'ma speak my truth. My words hit like a shimmy. Don't need no help burying my fruit, cause all I need within me. Hey, take my time. I don't know about you, but the problems from food won't change my mind. Had to go grab my spirit and match all my thoughts. Now I've been aligned. Ain't got time for no games. Like you trying to take my soul.
Y'all ready now?
Yeah, come on. Why we doing 5 fingers?
5 fingers. Come on.
Never have I ever had a one night stand in the past 3 weeks. Never have I ever.
Oh, no. You asked already. Somebody's gonna ask.
You gotta do something.
Sorry, you're not in the camera.
I am.
No, you're not.
Am I the only one with a fingernail? Like,
No, you're not. You're not.
who got a fingernail?
You're not.
Girl, we ain't got no nails.
She
Shit.
is.
Get my fingers.
I'm the only one with a
Oh
fingernail.
yeah, but I ain't even gonna.
Oh,
Alright,
wait,
so
no,
you-
we're
I
gonna
said 3 weeks. Hold is lying.
We're gonna explain it. We're gonna explain
Nobody
it.
lying.
Tell us what's up. How did it go?
Yeah, come
We
on.
need details.
Yeah, we need details. What's going on, guys?
Oh wow, details.
Not too much though, you know. They get away now.
Put it in
but
there.
it's a little bit. It's a little bit.
6'3", long
Ooh,
hand,
Love a nigga with a long pipe. They don't come like that on the
couple hours.
couple. Ooh.
Round.
2.
What tall are you?
Not from St. Louis though.
Okay.
Ooh.
She ain't lying. She not lying.
That's cool.
How you know about that?
Because we just know.
Bro.
No, it's her turn. It's her turn. It's her turn. You gotta ask.
Yes, that's how we got.
Never have I ever. Damn, I can't eliminate myself. So, never have I ever had a threesome.
Boy, I got 5 fingers up. I don't play. What's mine is mine. I ain't sure. I don't
Who
sure.
put a fingernail? You did.
I know it seems crazy. Right? Never did.
Okay.
Bitch, come on, push your fucking
So,
fingers.
who is it on? Ty, it's on you.
I've been invited to some questions.
Never have I ever
I done got some fire ones already for y'all.
sucked dick looking ass.
That don't count. That don't count. Come on, gang.
That
Do some
don't count?
shit.
You
No,
said suck dick. What?
Let's get him out.
no, it don't matter. Come on, gang.
Alright.
And kiss your
Never
hand.
have
Girls
I
just put their
ever.
fingers down. Like,
Oh,
wow, all
no.
girls
No.
got
No,
rings.
put your finger
Put
back.
your finger back up. We're not doing that one.
Yeah.
Never have I ever.
Beating it up. Y'all, we gotta hurry up and get up out of here.
Come on,
No.
gang. Come
Never
on,
have
gang.
I ever.
Right, beat it up.
Come on, gang.
Suck toes. I got my toes sucked.
Ah, 3.
Alright,
it's on me. Never have I ever. Never have I ever been so drunk I don't remember the previous day.
I remember.
I
I have to go to sleep and remember that shit.
Damn, I did that shit.
But I do.
No, I remember. Regretted it though. Still remember.
I never have I ever sucked dick with coochie.
You can't say that.
I mean, yeah, my bad. Never have
Come
I ever
on,
sucked
man.
a private part.
Hey,
In a public
you
area.
can't say
She said
that.
in a
Why
public
not?
area.
I
just
said
said
private
that,
area.
though.
I ain't said the whole thing. Oh, you did?
He's still saying let's suck a nigga coochie.
You said
In a
feet though.
public area?
You
You
said
said feet.
he said he did say suck a dick at first, but he said that the question don't count.
Which I don't count. Everybody
That's a
can
good
suck
question.
a dick, whatever y'all can say.
Never have I ever fucked outside.
Like, what you mean by
Fucked
outside?
You sit in the car, can sit outside.
Yeah. That's
Outside.
In the car, outside.
Outside could be the part.
No,
in the car.
outside could be like outside. If your part of
You
your
know,
body is outside.
I just want to call out Cap.
then
Listen, Chad. I just want to call out Cap on a lot of this. I just want to call up. I want to call a white flag, gang, because there's people in this bitch that's straight lying.
Boy, you
gang.
must got a lot of
You know
fingers
what I'm
down.
saying?
Shut your whole ass.
There's people.
He
There's
must
people in
got a lot of
this
fingers
motherfucker.
down,
There's
and you
people in this
sound guilty
motherfucker.
right
that-
now.
No, I'm not guilty. No,
He's
I haven't.
guilty as fuck.
No, I
Anywho, next
Yeah,
question,
yeah,
because he's a sinner.
White virgin.
Get the,
I have had a threesome.
Wait, so this like
You're
in the
not.
car count like
I'm a,
Three something to be with five.
you're thought.
Five minutes.
Don't turn around and look at me. I already said it. Back to the chat. You're thought. Hey, have a nice one. Next question.
Wow.
You heard this bullshit chat? Y'all heard this bullshit chat?
Never have I ever walked in on somebody having sex.
Never.
Shit.
I don't even want to.
I ain't want to see that
I
shit.
don't want to see that shit.
Nah, I ain't never did that.
I ain't never did that
She
one.
got one finger chat. What she got two?
You never walked in on somebody having sex?
I ain't never walked in on nobody.
Hey, get back from me.
Do the car count? Like,
Okay, y'all.
No, inside the car does not count. If you
I
end
was
up
gonna say
outside
that.
the car, then it counts because I end up outside the car.
Yeah.
How the fuck did you end up?
Roll the window up, put head
yes.
outside real quick.
No, he opened
Yes.
the door and stood outside of the door.
Y'all ever did the sunroof thing? That shit.
And
Yeah.
put me outside the door so you can get like.
Y'all gotta try the sunroof. I gotta get a sunroof.
Yeah, we could have fucked outside the sunroof if we wanted to.
Yeah, whose turn is it?
I would do mine. I ain't never have ever gave. I said anal. Or did anal.
Oh,
I guess. Yeah, sure. That's what you put?
You ain't even got no fingers left. Just drink.
No, I got 2 fingers left.
You lying that moment.
You lying.
Yeah, he didn't have no fingers left.
I can tell you the ones that I did.
No.
Tell us. What you do?
You said threesome. The other one was suck toe, or and the other one was hold on.
what was the first one?
It was early.
Outside.
Some was
Outside. Outside.
I got my toes sucked.
We said a lot more though.
But
I had anal. And what was the other one?
Oh yeah, I tried the 2 threesome.
I never had a threesome. What was the?
It
It was something else y'all said put down.
Ass broke. Y'all never
It
said
broke.
It was.
Fucking
What else
ass.
did I say?
That I don't never want to try that.
What else
again.
did y'all say?
Oh, I don't
That shit
Can I go?
hurts. It
Can I
hurts
go?
worse to have
Wait,
pieces
I
too.
had 3 fingers down for a reason, but I can't remember the third reason.
Yeah, it hurts.
I did
so
anal.
bad.
I did.
don't know how to
Got my
do that.
toes sucked. And what was the other one?
Yeah, I do.
Threesome.
I never had a threesome,
But I said outside.
but it was something
Outside.
else.
Oh.
No, it wasn't that.
Oh. Okay.
It was something else that y'all said.
Never have I ever went out of town and got a sneaky link.
I don't do that shit.
Yeah, because you need to put your finger down. I know what's
finger.
happening. Both of y'all. Get out. You're lying.
This guy never let St. Louis born in his life.
That's a lot.
So I mean, you got some.
Look at his face. You look like somebody goddamn dead. You need to stop.
I've never done. I swear to God.
Yeah, your finger's down.
I
so
have
you
never
need to be
cracked
quiet
cheeks.
because-
I've never cracked cheeks.
Right, your finger's down, so
Swear?
you already confessed.
What was the other one though? Like,
Swear.
what did y'all say?
Y'all, I ain't never.
Yes, 'cause,
I have never cracked cheeks
That's the most basic shit we
in
ever
another
did.
state
Like,
game.
we asked all that shit.
That's all I did.
All
What
of
did
them.
y'all say?
Drinking and shit.
For
What was
real.
y'all questions?
Like I have never purposely left the city to go.
No, it's not
On,
Like the
purposely.
city. You go and
But
talk
I'm
to each other
saying
and get some coochie.
But
You know,
I-
like, you know, like we take a trip out of town or something.
Just take a trip
Club,
out of
it's
town,
like a
you
one
go
night
to
Man
stand.
with the boys.
You
Go
take
crack.
a trip out of town, you
I
fucking
ain't never-
I ain't never did no shit like
I ain't
that.
never
She lied like a motherfucker.
I have not.
I've never.
But
Did
it don't matter if
I
you
knew
did
that
it, that's
person.
your business.
You can't do that. I knew that person.
Can y'all tell me what the other one was? Like, I feel like I'm missing
It was
it.
sex toes. It was threesome. It was.
I ain't never did that though.
Outside.
Oh yeah, outside. It should be like 4.
Is it a plan? I'm not gonna say
It's not a plan. It just happened. You just be on that.
Never have I ever
Ain't no.
needed a plan B.
Oh hell yeah, yeah.
Gave somebody a plan B, bought
That's not
food.
even.
No,
You out, buddy. You
Baby,
okay?
don't have to bring that. And that's one finger
And
left.
I think we all had one finger. Shit, we all need a plan.
So what's gonna be that last
It
one?
has to be something that you haven't done though.
What's
bro.
gonna be the last one?
I got one. I'm finna get all y'all the fuck up out of here because y'all feel like y'all coming for me, and I'm actually the
Oh,
most.
so you
I'm the
paid
most
for it.
innocent
You
one.
paid.
I'm the most
So you
innocent
feel
one.
paid for it. That means
No,
you seen it.
I am the
So I
most
don't care.
innocent one in here.
What? Whoa.
No,
Most
you not. You did everything we named. Shit.
No, I didn't. Why do I still got 2 fingers?
You
left?
don't.
Right.
have
Right.
You
Yeah,
I got
one.
one finger.
So you full of shit.
He lying.
All right, listen.
Okay, what's the last
Alright.
question? Bet I didn't do it.
Never have I ever had sex within the last 3 days.
That's what it was.
Is
What
that
you thought she was gonna do with that? You thought she was gonna eat 3
That's
days?
what
That's
it
not fair.
was.
No. Oh.
You already said it.
Did I?
So
that was it.
So it was within the last 3 weeks.
The last 3 days?
Yeah, it was
Anal,
last week.
toes, and then
She said no.
Plan-
You hella
plan.
did say have
Shit,
a
well,
1
3
night
weeks.
stand.
Take out shots.
anal.
That's her.
toes.
That's what the fuck you talking about?
You take yours
Plan
next
B.
too.
Nigga, I still got one
You
finger.
don't. You just
Damn.
you keep saying how many fingers you gave. It's
One.
My fingers.
At first you said 2.
Right.
Then you
What's
said
gonna be that
1.
last knockout question?
I got
Think
it.
about
I
it.
got it.
Everybody got one.
I got this.
My hand.
I got this,
But my
champ.
hand ain't going down.
Listen,
so I'm not gonna
listen.
say nothing like
They call me
Oh, y'all ready?
Brendo Bryan in the chat.
Ready? You ready?
Sniper.
I got it. You ready? I got it. It's on me. Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Come on, man.
You finna finish that bullshit.
Y'all ready?
Come on, man.
Never have I ever did OnlyFans.
You fucked up for that. That's not a question.
Kill.
It's a whole
Gang.
question. What you
Or never have I ever sold content.
That's not a question.
Y'all coming from one fucking
Yes,
person.
y'all want to fight on everything.
No, we don't want to fight.
No,
I don't know what you do. It's okay. It's okay.
That,
We know what
no,
you do.
y'all
It's
can't
just
say
a game.
that because
It's just the name of the game.
Man,
that's
listen.
like only
it's-
targeted to
I
one
am
person.
a
Like
man.
that's only targeted
Exactly.
to one.
I'm a
person.
bite.
That's only targeted to one person.
bite.
The first question I got put my own.
Y'all know that nobody
First question I was the only
Big-
one that put a
We
finger
got
down.
videos, but ain't nobody got.
Look
Y'all
out.
got videos, but
Look out, whatever. I don't know, whatever. No, y'all hate.
Whatever.
I don't care. Yeah, this game fake.
Ah, yes, baby.
They need to put it.
Lost
They
it
need
all,
to
man.
they need to make it look.
Like, bro, why do you have to know that? You can't even ask that. You can't even ask that. Nobody else relates
All right,
to
so we
this
back
on
on
my
one
finger.
finger.
Right, one question, right? Like, you
That
can't
shit
even
was
ask that.
Y'all can't
Like,
have
right, like, why would you
Just
even
win
ask
since
that?
how many hours?
Since when?